Hey guys, Kirby here, and I found out how to make a Metaminer sound mod, and this is how you do it. You download QuickWaveBank by Trigger Segfile on GitHub, or yeah, you can search for it on Google. And sorry that I'm recording this on a phone. My computer sucks, so I can't record it. Anyways, uh, yeah, and also sorry for the awkwardness. I don't have a script, so. It's a standalone exe, so you can just launch it, and it just launches up like this. And so, you can extract the sounds, but first you have to extract the sounds, right? By going into MetaMiner's folder, but it loads up in Terraria's directory because it's made for Terraria, because Terraria it was made on the same XNA framework as MetaMiners. So you open up MetaMiners, and then you go to the audio folder in content, and then wavebank.xwb contains all the sound effects, and wavebank ambience contains all the ambience. But this also contains the theme song, so you can replace the theme menu music. The menu theme music. But I'm gonna be replacing sound effects. And then you choose a folder where you want to extract all the sounds to, and then you click OK, and then it starts extracting it. So now that it's done extracting, you can choose to open the folder that the file's extracted to, and you can pick no if you already have it open. As you can see, all of the sound files have the names of Terraria music, but the names don't matter, the numbers do. So the sound I want to replace is the explosion sound, and the explosion sound is actually number 1. As you can hear. So I want to replace it with this explosion sound sound from Half-Life 1. Just as a test. Anyways, so the file has to be a WAV file, so you can just copy it. Copy the name of the file you want to replace it with, and just rename it. And then you can just drag it in here, replace it. So now we have to drag all of these files into QuickWave to build an XWB file. So let me refresh this. So yeah, and then I can click on that, scroll all the way down. Oh god. Scroll all the way down, and then hold Control. Shift, and then click, and then it selects all, and then I can just drag it, and then they'll all be in here. But as you can see, these numbers don't match with these numbers, and because this program isn't meant for murder miners, and it's meant for Terraria, it just moves all of these up here, and you can't do control click on them and select multiple at a time. You have to manually just drag it down and all around, and it's really tedious and annoying. But if you hate doing that, you can just save a track list, but the track list also saves the folder of where the files are, so you can't change the folder name of where the sound files are, or else it won't work. I'm done putting all the files in order, and the reason you have to do this is because I think that if they're not in order, then the wrong sounds will play. So yeah, make sure you do this. Now the final icing on the cake is to build the XWB file. So to do that, you gotta select the output file destination and go to the murder miners thing and go to content and then audio and then um, whatever you want to edit. And if you're doing sounds, yeah, you know, I already told you this. And then you click that and you press yes, and then you click on build, and then it builds the WaveBank. Okay, it's done building, so so you can click yes to open the folder like you did when you were extracting the file, and then for some reason it lowers the size of the file. Before it was like 16 kilobytes, now it's 2. I mean like 16,000, which is like 16 megabytes, but now it's 2 megabytes. So I don't know why that happens, but when I load the game, it just, you know, every sound works. So yeah. Okay, so now we're in game, and I'm gonna test if this works. Yeah, it works, but it's just playing the sound at a different pitch because, well, the game does that. Let's try again. Oh god, that was really fast. But anyways, yeah, uh, as you can see, it works, and yeah, if you follow the steps correctly, hopefully it will turn out like this.